Our topic is mediation, and we understand that Nancy is on the line. Nancy, first of all, tell us about your experience going through mediation. What happened?
Well, I'm calling on behalf of my sister that went through the mediation.
Okay.
She got bit by a dog, and a mediation was involved, but it just not been no. She just not dissatisfaction. They just can't reach to an agreement. And the attorney that she had is still representing her. I don't think they see.
Well, Nancy, the first thing that I would do is really have your sister have some communication with her attorney. What we find a lot of times is that when a client is upset with an attorney that's representing them, is some type of a breakdown in the communication. Either the attorney doesn't understand what the client's needs and desires are, or the client has not been explained to good enough, what the realities of this particular case are. If the case has already been through mediation, it's usually the time when that case would be getting pushed towards trial. Always start out with the attorney that you have. That person's already invested in your case pretty heavily if you've gotten to mediation by now. There's a possibility the case could be mediated again, but that's probably not going to change the insurance company's stance on the case. There's a certain amount of money that they're willing to pay on the case, and if there's no new facts or no new evidence, no new medical bills as a result of this dog bite, a new mediation is probably not going to change it. So I would trust the advice that the attorney's given you. That attorney, if they are specialists in personal injury, dog bite type cases, they know what the value of that case is based on the injuries, and they're going to fight to try and get every dollar that they can for you.
And Ronnie, we have about a minute left in the program. We understand there's something in South Carolina related to property damage. It's only $5. How's that work?
As I shared with you earlier, it's hard to believe anything's $5, but it's not a mediation, but we have property damage arbitration through our court system set up a long time ago. They charge $5 to file an arbitration and property damage. 3 lawyers are appointed to hear it. You can file your case for $5. You can have it served for $5. You can go over and very, very, very cheaply. If the debate is only about property damage in an accident case, you can have that resolved in that way, usually very quickly, a lot quicker than you'd ever get to court and to regular court with jury court. And it's a good way if you have just a property damage only. It's a good way to get cases resolved.